JetBoil Sumo is perfect for lightweight, group backcountry cooking, and it weighs just 16 ounces. Expect to boil a liter of water in about 4 minutes. The whole stove system stores very compactly within the 1.8 liter cooking vessel. The lid features a spout as well as a strainer. The flux ring is JetBoil's signature and is responsible for making the stove burn hotter and more efficiently, saving you fuel. Setup is very easy. Simply screw the burner into the fuel container, then twist the Sumo to lock it in place. Ignition is easy thanks to this ignite button. Matches are not needed. If you're looking for a solution for lightweight backcountry group cooking, try JetBoil Sumo.